guys, it's me, Jessica De Leon, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I have another unboxing for you guys. This unboxing is something that I have been wanting for a long time, and I finally was able to get my hands on it because these shoes are always out of stock. They came back in stock and they were in stock like everywhere. I don't know because I haven't checked back to see, which I should have before I filmed this video, if they've gone out of stock again like usual, but I will check on that before I post this video and let you guys know if these are back in stock. But these shoes, they sell out really fast. So I finally got my size and the color that I wanted, and I wanted to unbox these with you guys. If you're interested to see me unbox these shoes as well as try them on, then stay tuned. I've got the shoes here and I'm gonna go ahead and start unboxing these. I am a platform person. I love platforms. I'm not that tall. I'm only 5'4", which is average, but still it's not like a height thing. I'm not like trying to be tall or anything, but I just love the way a platform looks. I love it. I'm just obsessed with a platform sneaker, boot, whatever. I love a platform, especially in sneakers though. So I finally got my hands on these. I've been wanting these for a long time and I could never find my size. Like I would always be looking and looking and looking. I could never find my size, and it would just be like forever, months. And I'd be like, are they ever going to come back in stock? Like, what is the deal? But apparently these shoes are super popular, and once you see them come in stock, if you see that they have your size, get them. If you really like these shoes, don't hesitate, okay? Don't do it, because if you do, you're gonna, be that girl that you go back a day or two later and they're gone, and then you're not gonna be able to get your hands on them for like months, and you're gonna be like, oh my god, why didn't I just do it? Don't be that girl, because I have been that girl, and I finally got my hands on a pair, and I'm so happy. I'm a shoe person. I'm sorry. I just get so excited about shoes, which is probably why you're here, because either you're a shoe person or you really like these shoes, and you could be both. So let's go ahead and unbox them. I got these off of the Converse website. I try and always buy my shoes directly from the manufacturer or somewhere legitimate like Nordstrom's or Urban Outfitters. For future reference, if anybody else is wondering, all my shoes are authentic and from the manufacturer that actually makes them, or a reputable retailer. Okay, so here is the box. And yeah, just your plain kind of matte black with the Converse sign. There's the front of the box, side and side, and this one just has all your info. US 8, and then like the description of the shoe itself. So let's go ahead and look inside, guys. Okay, so there is one shoe right there. This is the left shoe right out of the box. Got a little piece of the box on it, and that is left shoe. And these are a very crisp white. These are not like some of the other ones. They're like a off-white or a natural white. These are white. Okay, here's the right shoe. And so the logo is always on the inside, which I didn't realize. I actually thought it was on the outside. Shows you how much I pay attention. Yeah, there's the right one. Crisp white, which I really like about this is that it's not an off-white, it's a crisp white. Obviously not quite as white as the sole, but it's still white. Here they are, side by side. Really, really love these shoes. Let's see, they were, I think they were 70. Yeah, that is the shoe. I had the black, but I bought the wrong size, so I just sold those, or else I'd show you those. I had a 7.5 and they were way too tight. Sometimes Converse can kind of hurt your feet at first because they're very stiff, but I soon realized that the shoes were just too small. So with these, I would get your regular size with the platforms at least. I'm gonna go ahead and lace these up and try these on, and yeah. Okay guys, so that was it for this unboxing and try on, and I really hope you guys liked it. I hope this helps somebody decide whether or not they want to actually get these shoes, or they just wanted to see what they look like on. Because I know sometimes it's easier to decide whether or not you want to buy a pair of shoes if you can see them on somebody, you know, really get a thorough look at them. Here's another look at the shoes one more time. Love, love, love these. And please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And also hit the bell for post notifications so you can see me again in the future. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Love y'all.